Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Bindu Vaishnavi, and in this video we are going to have a true business talks. So yeah, let's get started. So the first book which I really want to suggest is like Psychology of Marketing by Harinder Singh. So in this book you're gonna learn about lots of marketing stuff, because I know like how well a marketing holds very crucial role in a business sector, because right from the product designing and all, everything is one level and marketing is another level. Okay, if your marketing is going well, the product will generate lots of sales, and to attract any customer, marketing holds a very crucial role to design it in a way where every customer will look at your product. There are multiple of products coming into the market. You just need to focus like your product should stand out of that. So this book will really help you to understand about all those concepts and all. So yeah, go and get this one. And the second one is Go Startup. All these are available on Amazon by Karan Kashyap. I'm telling you, this book is like gold for you. Everyone will suggest you, do this and do that and all, then tell about theory and all. In this book, you'll get even references like references of investors, like you can go to them, or if you want any sort of furniture thing for your startup, you will get that details as well. If you want to know about the HR details, lots of details. I was really surprised to see that there are very few books which will give you these lots of interest. This much of information about thing. Only the person who are very much passionate about in this specific field can only do this kind of miracle. Every book is one thing. Only this one book is one thing. If you get this book now, you'll get complete details about business and all. Initially, like what happens, like we have to search to internet and we have to get through that, and we have to understand like who does what work and all. They have completely sorted out all, they've brought all such of things, and they kept in this specific book. They even gave the LinkedIn IDs, their mail IDs, their phone numbers, every single thing. This one book is more than enough for everyone. Okay, just go and grab it. You get to know about the startup and also about the people who are involved in your startup and who will be very much interested to understand about your product. Okay, so this is one of the book. And the last but not the least, which really helped me to understand about business without doing any MBA, is this one, The Personal MBA by Josh Kaufman. This book covers complete MBA topics, right from marketing, sales, what will the profit loss, profit margin, everything. I even showed this book to one of my friends who have completed the MBA. So she said like every single thing which is very mandatory for business related stuff and the very mandatory for this MBA course are mentioned here in a very cute and short format. You can understand very easily. Coming from a non-IT, from an engineering background. So for me, this book really worked well. Every single example, whatever they tell you, it is going to be very useful for you, and you could able to understand within one go. So these are the 3 books I would like to recommend for you if you are into this business sector and if you're new entrepreneurs. So that was all about today, guys. I hope you loved it, and stay tuned to our channel for more videos. Until then, this is Bindu Vaishnavi. Fill your hearts with art.